Hey guys, this is Joe, the Fly Fisherman channel. So I didn't get a chance to fish today, but I did get this. I unboxed a purifier, a humidifier, flame, diffuser, and humidifier. So it lights up. Um, yeah, it lights up like different colors, like blue, orangey, reddish, or green, blue, and yeah, I think it's pretty cool. You could put a scent to it. You could pour water and yeah, so I didn't get a chance to go fly fishing, but yeah, this humidifier is like so cool. And let me see if I could show it to you guys. I'm gonna I'm gonna move it because I already poured water in here. I'll go over with you guys. So I'm gonna put it here. Let's see, and I'm gonna hook this cable. This cable. So it comes with its own cable. I don't know why this one said Joe, my name, but anyway, it comes with the cable, and you plug it on the back side here, right here. Yeah, right here. Let's see if I could. Oh, I think I heard a noise. Wait. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go. The light turned on. Oh, yeah. It did work. And it also comes with a control. Where did I put it? Oh, yeah, it comes with this control. It's got a timer. It's got the light. I think you could change the light all blue. And it. So let me turn this lights off. Oh, wait, turn it off. So it got orange. It's got different colors. It's got timer. You could turn it off and on with the remote control, or swap it a different color. Oh wait, did it turn off on me? Mm-hmm. There you go. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. It worked. I bet if I turn the light off, I bet if I turn the light off over here, then you could really appreciate it when it's a little bit on the darker side, you know? Let's see. Oh yeah, you could appreciate it better in the night. Oh shit. Never mind. I think I dropped it. I dropped it, guys. Oh, I made a mess. Okay. Well, at least you got to see it in action. Yeah, so anyway, I made a mess. As you can see, water's all over here. So it did work. So you fill it up right here with water. Yep. And so then you close it with this lid. Close it. See how it looks. And so anyway, guys, thanks for watching my channel. And I'll go fishing at my YouTube fishing, Joe the Fly Fisherman channel, and yeah, I'll show you some more fly fishing a little bit later on, maybe tomorrow or in a little bit. Let me clean this water mess, and I'll see you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe. Thank you.